for a very good or whitening facial cream to use on your face, or is your face darker than the body, or you have dark spots, pimples, blemishes, sunburn, or any other facial problem, and you need a very good whitening face cream to use on your face. In this video, I'm going to share my experience with you on Caro White Facial Cream. This cream is formulated purposely to brighten and whiten the face. It's good to remove dark spots on the face, to clear pimples on the face, and to also make the face very smooth and soft. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what this facial cream is, who should use this facial cream, the roles it plays on the face, and also how you should use it perfectly to achieve the exact results that you want, and also the side effects of using this Caro White face cream. This face cream has been trending. A lot of people have used this face cream before. People who experienced good result on this face cream and the bad result also on this face cream. But I'm going to share with you how you should use it perfectly without having any side effects. Lovers, if you are new to this channel, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime I share reviews or share my experience on any skincare product here, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. And please, if you are a return subscriber, I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for coming back to this channel. You are the reason why this channel is growing. I am happy for the support, and I want to say God bless you so much. Thank you so much for everything you are doing. God richly bless you, and I am grateful. So please, Caro White Facial Cream is formulated to whiten the face, to brighten the face, to clear dark spots on the face, and also to make the face very smooth and soft. But take note, this facial cream is not recommended for everybody. You know, anytime I want to share a review on any skincare product, I wanted us to know the type of skin types that are supposed to use the product, so that in case you get some to use, you wouldn't end up having any problems because you know your skin type already. You know, we have so many skin types. We have the normal skin, we have the oily skin, we have the sensitive skin, we have the dry skin, we have the combination skin as well. So know your skin type before using any skin product or any facial product. And you know, the face is also very sensitive than the body. That is why I said this Caro White face cream is not recommended for everybody. It's not recommended for an oily face. If you have an oily face, it's not recommended for you. If you have a sensitive face, it's not recommended for you. If you have a normal face, it's not good for you, because sometimes people with normal face, when they use this product, it irritates the face. It ends up leaving white dots on the face. Me, like this, I have a very sensitive face, so when I tried using this Caro White face cream, I used it for just 3 days and it's really damaged my face. I ended up having a dull face. It brought down my facial glow because my face was very fairer when I used the Caro White face cream. But after using it for 3 days, I noticed that it's made my face very dull. So I noticed it's reacting to my face, so I stopped using it. So if you have a sensitive face, please do not use it. It's for people who want to whiten their face or people who want to brighten their face, okay? It's good for a combination skin person, it's good for a dry face person, and it's good for someone having dark spots on the face. It's good for someone who is battling with acne, because it clears dark spots, it clears acne on the face. And this is how you are supposed to use this facial cream. Please do not use this Caro White face cream and expose the face under the sun. It is purposely used in the night. You can use this face cream during the daytime if you use sunscreen on your face. Do not use Caro White face cream without using sunscreen. Protect the face from the sun if you use this Caro White facial cream on your face. And you must use it only at night, because if you use it during the daytime and you expose the face under the sun, it's going to darken your face. It's going to end up leaving sunburn on your face. It's going to make the face to sweat a lot, because look, it's not a mild cream, okay? It's a very strong cream, and the roles it plays on the face is that it clears dark spots, it whitens the face, it brightens the face, it lightens the face, and it makes the face very smooth. But when you use it in the night, you are going to achieve a very good result, or it's going to play a very good role on your face. Okay, this is the side effect of using this Caro White lightening face cream. It gives white dots, especially if you have a sensitive face, and it gives dark under eye circle. It gives reddish on the face. It gives a like sunburn, those kind of severe sunburn on the face. It gives severe sunburn. That is the side effect I have noticed of using this Caro White lightening face cream. But if you have a dull face and you want to whiten your face or brighten your face, make sure you get a very good cleanser and use it with it. But make sure you use the cleanser also in the night, and the Caro White lightening face cream in the night. Don't use it during the daytime, because it's going to damage the face for you. It's good for whitening the face, it's good for brightening the face, it's good for nourishing the face, it's good for clearing dark spots on the face, it's good for making the face very smooth. Okay, so if you have ever used Caro White facial cream before, you can share your experience with me, or you can share your review with me. But please do watch to subscribe to my channel. Okay, turn on your notification. I want you to be the first person to receive a notification from me anytime I drop review on any skincare product. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Have a nice day, and bye bye. All I want